Learn Hindi fast. I go by bus, bank, hotel, help, and school in.
Hindi.
Welcome to today's Hindi adventure. Hey, you're about to learn 5 super useful Hindi phrases without falling asleep on a grammar pillow. We'll keep it light, funny, and easy to repeat. Today your mission is simple. Survive a tiny chaotic day in Hindi. You will ride a bus, stand in a bank, head to a hotel, help someone, and march toward school like a very determined language hero. Your key phrases are:
मैं बस से जाता हूँ. मैं बैंक में हूँ. मैं होटल जा रहा हूँ. मैं तुम्हारी मदद करता हूँ.
and
हम स्कूल जा रहे हैं.
the bus of destiny. Let's begin with movement, because apparently life refuses to stay still. Listen, imagine, and repeat after each Hindi line. Every day, our hero says, I go by bus. In Hindi, that is.
मैं बस से जाता हूँ.
Again, slowly.
मैं बस से जाता हूँ.
Picture a giant bus pulling up like it is the king of the road, and you proudly announce.
मैं बस से जाता हूँ.
Now with context. Every day, I go by bus.
मैं हर दिन बस से जाता हूँ.
When it rains and everyone else panics with dramatic movie energy, you stay calm and say.
मैं बस से जाता हूँ.
At the bank, not at the beach. Now you need a location phrase, because people keep asking where you are. Very rude, but very useful for learning. The phrase is, I am at the bank. In Hindi.
मैं बैंक में हूँ.
Break it up.
मैं बैंक में हूँ.
Your friend calls and asks, where are you? You do not whisper, in a secret spy tunnel. You simply say,
मैं बैंक में हूँ.
right now, I am at the bank.
अभी मैं बैंक में हूँ.
Funny memory trick. Imagine trying to order a cappuccino at the teller desk, then realizing, no, wait.
मैं बैंक में हूँ.
Rolling toward the hotel. Time to move again, suitcase in hand, dignity mostly intact. This phrase is perfect for travel situations. I am going to the hotel. In Hindi.
मैं होटल जा रहा हूँ.
Repeat it once more.
मैं होटल जा रहा हूँ.
Imagine you are in a new city, pulling a squeaky suitcase that sounds like a duck with life goals. You point ahead and say,
मैं होटल जा रहा हूँ.
look, I am going to the hotel.
देखो, मैं होटल जा रहा हूँ.
A taxi driver asks, where are you going? You answer with confidence, or at least with enthusiastic pronunciation.
मैं होटल जा रहा हूँ.
Hero mode. I help you. Now let's learn a phrase that makes you sound kind, useful, and slightly more impressive than average. Humanity thanks you. The phrase is, I help you. In Hindi.
मैं तुम्हारी मदद करता हूँ.
Notice the key word for help.
मदद.
Say it.
मदद.
Now the full phrase again.
मैं तुम्हारी मदद करता हूँ.
Imagine someone drops 10 bags, 3 books, and 1 mysterious potato. You rush in like a low-budget superhero and say,
मैं तुम्हारी मदद करता हूँ.
don't worry, I help you.
चिंता मत करो, मैं तुम्हारी मदद करता हूँ.
School march. Last core phrase, group action. Because sometimes language learning is more fun when nobody suffers alone. We are going to school. In Hindi.
हम स्कूल जा रहे हैं.
Again.
हम स्कूल जा रहे हैं.
Picture a group of kids with backpacks, snacks, notebooks, and exactly one person who forgot everything. Together they say,
हम स्कूल जा रहे हैं.
every morning, we are going to school together.
हर सुबह हम साथ में स्कूल जा रहे हैं.
Even the family dog wants to join and barks educationally while you repeat.
हम स्कूल जा रहे हैं.
Mini story. One ridiculous day. Now you'll hear all 5 phrases inside one silly story. Just relax and enjoy the ride. It is early morning. You wake up, look outside, and decide, very bravely.
मैं बस से जाता हूँ.
On the way, your phone rings. Your friend asks, where are you? You answer,
मैं बैंक में हूँ.
This is confusing because 2 seconds ago you were on a bus, but let us not fight the plot. Then you remember you also have luggage, because apparently this day was organized by a clown. So you say,
मैं होटल जा रहा हूँ.
outside the hotel, someone struggles with heavy bags. You smile and say,
मैं तुम्हारी मदद करता हूँ.
finally, a cheerful crowd appears with backpacks, and together everyone chants.
हम स्कूल जा रहे हैं.
Was the story realistic? No. Did it help your memory? Absolutely. Quick dialogue drill. Let's make your ears and mouth do a little workout. I'll give the English idea, and you echo the Hindi. How do you travel?
मैं बस से जाता हूँ.
Where are you?
मैं बैंक में हूँ.
Where are you going?
मैं होटल जा रहा हूँ.
A friend needs support. What do you say?
मैं तुम्हारी मदद करता हूँ.
What does the group say on the way to class?
हम स्कूल जा रहे हैं.
Fast recall challenge. Okay, tiny quiz time. No pressure. Well, a little pressure. The fun kind. Say in Hindi, I go by bus.
मैं बस से जाता हूँ.
Say in Hindi, I am at the bank.
मैं बैंक में हूँ.
Say in Hindi, I am going to the hotel.
मैं होटल जा रहा हूँ.
Say in Hindi, I help you.
मैं तुम्हारी मदद करता हूँ.
Say in Hindi, we are going to school.
हम स्कूल जा रहे हैं.
Friendly conclusion. You did great, and yes, your imaginary day was extremely busy. But now your Hindi is stronger. Today you practiced 5 useful Hindi phrases.
मैं बस से जाता हूँ. मैं बैंक में हूँ. मैं होटल जा रहा हूँ. मैं तुम्हारी मदद करता हूँ.
And,
हम स्कूल जा रहे हैं.
thanks for learning with me. Keep practicing out loud, repeat the phrases tomorrow, and let your Hindi grow one funny sentence at a time.